Hello students, in this video we will discuss and draw a question of projections of solids when the solid is inclined to one of the principal planes. Let us read out the question. A pentagonal prism with side of base 25 mm and axis 50 mm long lies on one of its faces on HP such that its axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections. So in this question, a pentagonal prism is given to us which is inclined at 45 degree to VP, right? So since it is inclined to VP, in the first step we will consider it perpendicular to VP. So we will draw the projections of the pentagonal prism when it is perpendicular to VP, right? And then in the second step we will draw it inclined to VP. So let us start drawing. Since in this question pentagonal prism is inclined to VP, so in the first step we will assume it perpendicular to VP. So for that we will be drawing the pentagon first. Go to polygon command. Number of sides are 5. Press enter. Select edge method. So we will be drawing that view first in which we are able to see the actual shape of the base. So the actual view of the base will be visible in the front view. So we'll draw the front view first. Let us turn on the ortho mode. So click over here. One side is equal to 25 mm. So write 25 and press enter. So this is the front view. Let us increase the line weight. Let us make it 0.70 mm. Now this is the front view of a pentagonal prism. Let us draw the XY line. This is the XY line. Make it 0.30. After this, draw the projection lines from all the visible corners. Like this. Let us name all the corners of the top and base of the pentagonal prism. Go to mtext command. Let us assume the front face of this pentagonal prism, it is ABCDE, and the rear face it is PQRST. It will be A dash, Control C, Control V, This is B dash. This is C dash. This is D dash. And this is E dash. So corresponding to A, the rear base, let it be equal to P dash, then Q dash, R dash, S dash, and T dash. So this is the front view of the pentagonal prism, which is resting on one of its rectangular faces on HP. Now let us draw the top view. Turn on the object snap, ortho mode. The height of the prism is equal to 50 mm. Write 50. Let us draw this longer edge. Then two other longer edges will also be visible. So let us draw those afterwards. Select these will be the outlines. Make it equal to 0.70 mm. Go to line command again. This line, this longer edge will be visible as hidden line. Copy this. Take this as the base point and place it over here. So let us make the hidden lines as 0.50 mm thickness, because these will be thinner than the outlines. Let us make these as hidden lines. Right, so next is, let us name the corners in the top view also. Control C, Control V. So according to the front view, this will be small a, Control V, this will be small b, this will be small c, then D, and then E, this will be small p, then this is This is Q corresponding to B. This is R. This is S. And this is T. Right, so this is the top view of the pentagonal prism when it is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Let us trim these extra projection lines. T, R, press enter twice, once and twice. So after this, we will be copying this top view over here so that we may be able to draw it inclined at 45 degree to VP. So let us copy this. Go to copy command. Take this as the base point. Let us paste it over here. Then let us move to rotate command. Select this object, press enter. Let us suppose this is the base point. Take this as the base point and let us make it inclined at 45 degree. So this angle will be 45. So let us write 45, press enter. So there you go, this is the inclined view of this top view. Let us move it towards the left. Now what we'll be doing, from all these visible corners we will be drawing vertical projection lines towards the top. Go to line command, turn on ortho mode. So from all these visible corners, let us draw the projection lines. Make sure you are clicking at the correct point. This is from PQRST. Let us draw the projection lines from A, B, C, D, E also. Right, so now we'll be drawing horizontal projection lines from this front view. This is the front view that we had drawn when the prism is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So from here we will be drawing the horizontal projection lines towards the right so that it intersects all these projection lines that we have drawn from the bottom. So projection lines from C and A will be same. Okay, and no need to draw the projection line from E and D. So after this we will be matching the corresponding points. So like, let us first of all mark the points. Before this, let us go to point style, E-type. Let us take this as the point style. Go to point command. Let us match A with A. So this is the line coming from A. This is the line coming from A dash. So let us mark point here. This will be A1 dash. So we'll name it as A1 dash. We'll name it afterwards. Let us first of all mark the points. Then matching B with B. This is line coming from B. This is line coming from B dash. So this will be B1 dash. C with C, C1 dash. D with D, D1 dash. And then E1 dash. Similarly, P1 dash. Then this is Q1 dash, R1 dash, S1 dash, and T1 dash. So now let us name these. Turn off object snap. So this is A1 dash. So let us name it as A1 dash. Write 1. Select it. Make it in subscript. So this is A1 dash. Then this is B1 dash. This is C1 dash. This is D1 dash. And this is E1 dash. So just need to match the corresponding points, and then matching P with P. So this is P1 dash. This is Q1 dash. This is R1 dash. Then this is S1 dash. And this is T1 dash. Right, so now it is easy for us to identify which points you have to join. Let us go to line weight, make it 0.70, line command. So join, turn on object snap, A with B, B with C, C with D, D with E and E with A. Similarly, P with Q, Q with R, R with S, S with T, and T with P. After this, we need to draw the longer edges. So join P with A, Q with B, R with C, S with D, and no need to join with T and E. Right, so now here we need to identify which lines will be hidden. Right, so here if you see, this line will not be visible to you directly. Similarly, this line and this line. So we need to decrease the line weight, make it equal to 0.40, and let us select hidden line. This is hidden line. So there you go. This is the front view of the prism when it is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Let us delete the extra projection lines. T, R, press enter twice, once and twice. So it will increase the clarity. Similarly here also. Select these extra lines. Once you trim it, so these can be deleted. Right, so let us find out the angle. Go to angular dimensioning, click over here. Click over here. So this angle, it is 45 degree. Make it bilayer. Go to align dimensioning. One side is equal to 25 mm. Linear dimensioning. The height is equal to 50 mm. Control V. This is capital X. And this is capital Y. So this is the solution to this question, in which the prism, pentagonal prism, was given inclined at 45 degree to VP. So in the first step here we had drawn it perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, and then we had drawn it inclined to VP with the help of this first step. Thank you very much.